Welcome back to the homestead, everyone. Today we are going to be making some homemade chicken tacos. To go with our homemade chicken tacos tonight on the homestead, I'm going to make some homemade corn tortillas. It's super easy. I'm going to show you how to do it, and it only uses 3 ingredients. If you take out the water, it's 2 ingredients. So you need some good quality masa, which I have Bob's Red Mill Organic here, and I bought this in my Azure Standard haul, and I can link that into this video for you. So we're gonna do 2 cups of this. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 1/2 cup measuring cup. I'm going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this up, just kind of get that all blended together, mixed together. Then you're going to start adding in, this is really hot water, guys. You have to have hot water. So it's 2 cups of hot water, and I'm going to start add a good amount of this in and start stirring. The corn's going to soak everything up. I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to mix with my hands for a minute. This is going to have to sit for 1 hour before you make your tortillas. All mixed together, and then we'll let it sit. It's been about an hour, and we're ready to start using our tortilla press and turning them into actual tortillas to fry up. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We just have a standard tortilla press, cast iron you can buy pretty much anywhere. They're not super expensive, they're fairly affordable. So just gonna put our ball of masa, and we're gonna just press it out. I like to turn it, kind of make it more even all the way around. Do it one more time, and then we'll bring it over to I've got a cast iron skillet, a small 9-inch over here preheating, and we're just going to go ahead and put it in that and let it cook and move on to the next one. For the chicken for our chicken tacos, we've put 2 chicken breasts into the crock pot with some butter and some water on low and cooked for about 4 hours. Now we're going to go ahead and shred and chop these breasts and then get them back into the liquid that we cooked them in the crock pot. We'll be adding a little bit of taco seasoning and letting that just kind of sit and simmer while we prepare the rest of our tortillas. Now we're going to go ahead and take some of our tortillas that we made, and we're going to fry them in some avocado oil just to enhance the flavor and give them a little crispness. Time to assemble our tacos. So this is what it looks like at the end, and it's going to be oh so delicious. We hope that you give this a try. Homemade corn tortillas are super easy, super nutritious, and you won't go back to store-bought once you try them.